Welcome to Four Bros Filming, and today we got a very prestigious faucet from a manufacturer that's very difficult, at least, to pronounce. Hansgrohe or Hansgrohe, Hansgrohe. Well, hey bro to the fellows at Hansgrohe. That's the way we say it. These are semi-pro kitchen faucet. Okay, it's a very heavy one too. I think they should call it Weight Pro. So as you can see over here, these are the cold and hot water connectors. I think the rubber band over here signifies the hot water connection. So the inlet, the faucet itself. And is this supposed to be where the faucet goes? So there are a bunch of accessories. And they're all in the amazing bubble wrap. And so we got a... I actually have no idea what this is. Oh, it's actually a faucet outlet.
Ooh, and what's inside here? Let me check. Oh, that's the cover for the sink.
So this is the cover for the main faucet hatchet and the inlet pipe connections, and these are the screw bars. Very delicate stuff here. And this is its rubber counterpart. Okay, so this is supposed to be jet black, but apparently it's very dusty. Yeah.
And what is inside here?
Yeah. Let's check it out. Very delicate. Stuff is very delicate. Okay, hang on, don't. Okay, yeah, there's the opening. Okay. This thing looks like a massive spring. It is a massive spring. I don't know for what. I think this could be another outlet. Okay, so this wraps up our unboxing of the Hansgrohe semi-pro kitchen faucet. I should really be calling it Weight Pro. And before you leave, before we end this, please say hello bro to the folks at Hansgrohe.
For watching.
Well, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Yes.